When it comes to setting up new items in your cafeteria point of sale system, we think it should be both an easy and thorough process. With Meals Plus Point of Sale, we've put all of the data you need to add an item on one simple screen. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how easy it is to add items to your entire district and customize for individual sites and grades. From the Meals Plus Point of Sale, choose Item Setup. The item table is a list of all items served with corresponding prices and nutritional information. This one item table controls all of the schools in the district. This will ensure that your items are managed and priced consistently for all schools in the district. From the Item Setup screen, you can choose to view breakfast only, lunch only, or other items only. Remember that you can add 999 breakfast items, 999 lunch items, and 999 other items, which are determined based on your district's needs. Use the Other Items space for all reimbursable snacks, vending machines, and other items your school sells. Click All to view all items. To enter a new item, select B, L, or O, breakfast, lunch, or other, and enter a 3-digit number to identify the item. Enter a detailed item description and an abbreviated description. The short description is what will show on your cashier serving screens. Select a nutrition code for this item. This determines whether the item is reported as a meal component, or a supplemental sale. You can also set custom colors based on nutrition code, which I will show you shortly. Nutrition Code 1 is a meal that is USDA reimbursable when served to a student under Status 2, 3, or 4. Nutrition Code 2 is a non-reimbursable second meal. The component nutrition codes B for grain and breads, M for fluid milk, P for meat or meat alternative, and V for vegetables and fruit are used for converting supplemental sales to reimbursable meals. Combo component codes BV, PB, and PBV can be used for items that provide multiple components. For example, a sandwich could be protein and bread, or PB, and X is supplemental sales. To fill in the price grid, begin with the grade. Grade 00 is the default value that will be used if the grade is not specified. If the same prices apply for all grades in your schools, you do not need to set up any more grade rows here, but click the green plus sign to add extra rows if you need to set up pricing by grade. Then you can select a grade from the drop-down list. The prices on that line will be used for that grade only. Enter the prices that apply for each status code, and grade if you are using pricing by grade. The Prohibit Item by Status option allows you to prohibit sales of this item for a group of accounts based on status code. For example, if an item is not to be served to students, check the boxes for Free, Reduced, and Student, which is a paid status, and click Save. On the serving screen, items are color-coded based on the nutrition code. Click the Color Manager button to change the color, and a screen will open where you can select a different color for that nutrition code. You can also define and save custom colors. When you're finished, click Save and Close. The Assign Users to Items box allows you to set the user's item access for a particular item only. Here you see a list of all users. Check the box for each user that should have access to this item. Under the Item Access Setup section, you will see a list of all items that a user has access to, which I will show you shortly. If you assign each item a nutrition code, it will automatically convert supplemental sales into a reimbursable meal if it meets the offer versus serve guidelines. In the cashier serving screen, you see a combo item is added that would allow a meal to be counted as reimbursable, and it automatically converted the items into one reimbursable meal. Remember that under Item Access Setup, you can also control which items each cashier serves. Simply go to Item Access Setup, click on the individual's name, and check only the items you want them to have access to. Click Save and Close. And that's it. You have successfully created a new item for your school. For more information on our cafeteria software system, contact Meals Plus today at 1-800-541-8999 or email us at sales@mealsplus.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Simple and fast item setup. Just one more way we're keeping the lunch line moving.